Okay, moving on. Our next thing I want to go over with you is for you to make a folder for ICP on your desktop. So if you would, just have your computer open or go to your desktop, please, and I will walk you through what to do. Basically, all of you should understand now, or probably have at some point made a folders. So all I need you to do here is go up here to Finder and go across the file and say I need a new folder. This new folder will pop up here as an untitled folder. All I need you to do is type in ICP, and now you will have a folder to put all of your homework assignments in. This would be very useful because you will be downloading a lot of papers to your computer, and then I strongly suggest after you have completed those worksheets and so forth that you put them into this folder. That way, if something does unfortunately go wrong while you are trying to submit to me through Canvas, you will always have the original here in this folder. Okay, so again, just create an ICP folder on the front of your desktop.